Hi, this is Daniel Alpine, animation historian, and welcome to a special Christmas episode of Animation Memory Lane. Since I posted an episode about the Peanuts movie last month, now is the perfect time to lecture about the character's first official step from comic strip to animation in A Charlie Brown Christmas. The original Peanuts comic strip by Charles Sparky Schulz debuted in 1950, and by 1959 it became a popular sensation in newspapers all over the world. Soon in the early 60s, Ford aired television ads starring the characters in their animated debut. The commercials were produced by Playhouse Pictures, and one of the animators at the studio was Bill Melendez, who previously animated at Disney and Warner Brothers and UPA. The ads would help boost the Peanuts' popularity so that soon documentarian Lee Mendelson would produce a TV documentary about the characters called A Boy Named Charlie Brown. Unfortunately, the documentary never aired on television. But soon, Coca Cola decided to finance a new TV Christmas special, and Lee would present to Coca Cola the idea of a television special starring the Peanuts characters. The funny thing is that when he first pitched the idea, Lee did not have a full completed premise, and he and Sparky and Bill worked together for 5 days coming up with a story. And even when I was accepted, the crew had a short period of 6 months to finish it. While the production of the special was mostly smooth, there were still a few concerns about it. The number one issue that the network CBS had was Linus's famous speech about the true meaning of Christmas because it was thought to be too religious. But Sparky, being a religious man himself, fought to keep it in because it was something that hadn't really been done before on television. Another concern was the use of classical Christmas music and jazz music provided by composer Vince Guaraldi, because that too was also very different than what people expected, but it was still kept in nevertheless. When A Charlie Brown Christmas was prepared to be broadcast, the network CBS had no faith in it at all and thought it would flop. But when it first aired on December 6, 1965, it immediately became a hit and would lead to even more Peanut specials that continue to this day. A Charlie Brown Christmas is still a popular hit with audiences, even 60 years after its first airing, and is still praised for its simplicity in its storytelling and animation, and for its abundance in heart and charm and deep meaning as the comic strips had. So, in an ever evolving world, and whether or not you're 6 or 90, A Charlie Brown Christmas will continue to work its charm for another 60 years. And in that, I wish you all a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and God bless. This is animation historian Daniel Alpine, and I'll be seeing you.